What are you saying?
Clown.
I'm not a clown.
No,
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Lauren Whitney and I am coming to you with another hair video. In today's video, I am going to just be washing and attempting to press out my own hair. So I recently took out my braids and my edges are extremely weak, but they have been. It's just from postpartum shedding. I still just want to kind of press my hair out. I'm just wanting to have something that's a little bit more easy to manage during the week. So I'm gonna press my hair out and put it in some pin curls. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna wear my hair this week. So I actually got my favorite line of hair care when my hair is in a weak state, and that is the Aussie Moisture. So when I first went natural, I used to constantly use the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. Like, it was all I used to use. I actually didn't even use shampoo, but this was like 7 years ago, the very first time I big chopped. So then I kind of got over that only co-washing phase, and I wanted to start incorporating shampoo back into my routine. So I started to use the same line's shampoo, which is the Miracle Moist shampoo. So I'm just gonna hop off real quick, go shower, wash my hair, and then I will come back when it's time for me to blow dry, press, and style. All right, so I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and y'all, let me just say real quick, the postpartum shedding is getting kind of scary. So I did just take down that protective style. I don't think I did anything wrong though. I don't think I've been combing my hair incorrectly or anything like that, but my hair is literally coming out in clumps. Like, my hair has grown out a lot, so and it looks full, so you probably can't tell, but yeah, I mean, I showed you like my thinning edges, and you'll probably be able to really see the defined line once I get my hair straight. But when I tell you, it was just like little mounds of hair in the floor of my shower, like when I was done combing like the conditioner through. Let me know if you guys had any postpartum shedding, if you're a mom, and what that was like as far as your hair coming back. The leave-in that I use is the Design Essentials leave-in conditioner. I think it's the avocado. Hold on, let me check. So I use the almond and avocado leave-in conditioner by Design Essentials, and I actually went ahead and applied that to my hair as soon as I got out of the shower, because I like my hair to be really wet when I put my leave-in on. For heat protectant, I'm going to use the African Pride Black Castor Miracle. It has black castor oil and a keratin complex. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that all over my hair. Let me tell y'all, I don't know if y'all remember from a previous video, but I could not get the pump on this thing to work, and then now all of a sudden the pump is working. Now I'm gonna kind of try to separate and blow dry it in sections. So I'm gonna start with the back. not been going how I've been wanting it to go lately when it comes to doing my hair. So I bought this Conair Pro Universal Blow Dryer Comb. So I bought this Conair Pro Universal Hair Dryer Comb because I thought that it would give me like a smoother foundation on the ends, so when I go to press my hair it can be nice and pressed. Because see, when your ends are like kind of still frizzy like this, it's hard to get that. You kind of want it to already be a little bit straight. Anyway, it's not working like how I thought it was gonna work. Maybe I'll try to just run it through at the end when I get all the hair dry, but it's not like it's clicking in, but then when the hair, when the air starts to blow, it's kind of, you see what I'm saying? Babe, what? Babe, you talking to me?
Yeah, nigga, I'm saying something to you.
What are you saying?
Clown.
I'm not a clown.
No,
I'm gonna use this Cantu flaxseed smoothing oil in between each section, and this oil has flaxseed, olive, almond, castor, and avocado oils, and it's supposed to nourish and give your hair some shine. Okay, y'all, so I got my flat irons heating up, and I don't know if you noticed, but I discovered, okay, first of all, wait, let me back up. I want to talk to y'all about this paddle brush. So this is called the wet brush. You see right there? I wanted a new paddle brush, and I saw this at Target, and it was $10, and I'm honestly like, no, I'm not about to pay $10 for a paddle brush. So when I went to Sally's today and I was looking for the blow dryer, the universal blow dryer comb, I saw wet brush again, and it didn't seem like anything special. So I'm like, why the heck is this paddle brush $10? And they had different styles, different designs, different types of paddle brushes, but they all were like $9.99. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this brush because I saw this particular one, and it has a combination of like the paddle bristles, but then it has like the hair-like bristles down at the base of like the paddle part. Y'all, this brush, look at it. I just did my whole head, and see how you can still see the green paddle, like the padded part? There's a little bit of hair in here, but a lot of hair did not come out into the brush. Also, it smoothed the hair and glided through the hair. And then also, if you notice, my hair is a lot more stretched. I guess that's why it's $10, because it's like a really good ass paddle brush. So I'm gonna go ahead now and go through and just try to flat iron and style each piece. I'm just trying to do one pass, and then the second pass I'm gonna try to bump it, and then I'm gonna take some bobby pins and pin curl the curls in place as I do them. And you know, so then when I let it down, it should be like nice and loosely curls. Okay, y'all, so I am done. So I pretty much just pin curled everything all the way around. I just pin curled as I went, and I wasn't going to consider this a silk press. I just didn't expect it to get this silky, but it actually got pretty silky. But we'll see tomorrow when I take it down how the results actually look. But I'm finished, so I'm just going to go on with the rest of my night, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. We are about to take the hair down. I have a little bit of the Cantu flaxseed smoothing oil with me. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands. I don't know if I want to rub it directly on the hair because the hair is pressed, so I don't want to make it like too oily. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and take all the pins out. If you notice, this looks very familiar to when I did the perm rod set, except for the hair is pressed out, so it should have like a smoother finish.
We going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get on, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, sheets creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon'.
Okay, so it's definitely giving mom. It's giving Michelle Obama. Just because I got this whole little turtleneck thing happening. I actually think I will title this video a silk press because my hair is very, very silky. I mean, it's very silky. I don't have any frizzy or puffy end. Y'all, I have not worn my hair like this in so long. Like, this used to be my jam in like high school and college. Like, this was me. Like, and I did not play about my wraps. I would literally go to class, come home, wrap my hair, put my scarf back on. Or any of y'all like that? Like, before like natural hair was so popular, or just wearing your kinks and curls was like a thing. Remember how obsessed we used to be about our wraps? Like, so this is the side and this is the back. A lot of body and shake. I like how the curls are going like in a bunch of different directions, wind swept. So I'm not gonna add any edge control. I was gonna add some edge control to my edges, but I don't wanna manipulate them in any way just because, like I said, they had been a little bit on the weaker side. Yeah, no, I'm feeling it. It looks nice. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Hopefully my curls revert back to the way they were, because I did do a couple of extra passes through it in different sections to kind of get the ends pressed how I wanted them. But yeah, let me know if you guys like it in the comments down below. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe on your way out if you like the content, and click the notification bell. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.